Kenny from KathysKuteKreations.
And my echo.
Echo.
It's here. It came. Finally. 4 days after everybody else showed theirs. But I don't care. It's here. Ready to show it? I'm ready to show it.
Dibs.
Uh-oh, the candy flew out.
Oh, dibs.
Oh my gosh.
So up first is this pink Starburst with a burst of energy.
I thought you were going to say a burst of flavor.
Sure. Ooh, the bag is striped.
Oh, look at all the goodies.
Oh, that's mine.
Look at that.
I'm going to show it first.
Okay, go ahead.
Let me pull out the booble wrap. Open up, Buble. It is the yellow ruler this month.
Oh, yeah.
It is a 4-inch.
And there's a little bag.
Or 4.5 inch. 4.5, right? That's a half inch, so then it's 4.5, right? So it's a 4.5 and it's yellow. Oh yeah, yellow bag. Huh. Oh, that's so cute.
Okay,
And this
so
can go with my blue one, and it can go with my pink one.
Just trying to think, remember the name of it.
The color.
Okay, so we have the Country Weekend Quilt ID. Isn't that pretty right there? Let's show that. I like the way this looks right here. That looks really, really nice.
Oh, you
Just that glare out of there.
Oh yeah,
Lordy.
the glare. Oh, that's what it is.
And we'll show the fabrics later. I don't want to show them right now. Okay, and we have a keychain. Oh, I like that.
Ka-ching.
Oh, look at that. Isn't that neat? That is so neat.
It is a van.
And so this month we
this
can
is
make
mine,
a
right?
sewing machine mat.
Because I like keychains.
You like all kinds of things, honey.
Feel free to send keychains to the P.O. box. I'm kidding. Don't do that.
So here's the sewing machine mat. You might like that. Get
I
that
don't
cute
know.
little thing.
You can make it for me and we'll find out.
But I don't normally put stuff like down the bottom of my mat. These
I don't have
containers
a
are
mat,
good.
so I can't tell you if I keep anything there.
It's a sewing machine mat and accessories.
And one of the accessories, this is the fabric for it.
Get that before the dog does, honey.
I don't know where it went.
Uh-oh. Yeah, we have the dog already looking on the floor.
I got it!
Okay.
This is a red Starburst with a burst of
Flavor.
There you go.
Would it be cherry flavor? Strawberry?
Strawberry.
Pink would be the
Cherry.
Oh,
Pink
cherry.
is pink is strawberry.
Oh, there you go.
And pink is the best flavor. I don't know if y'all heard that, but
I kind of like the yellows. Those are lemon
we
flavor.
were talking about this.
I know we were
This
talking about
goes
that.
with this. This is the sewing mat thing.
We're not looking at the fabric yet. We are looking at the foundation paper for string blocks. There you go. Here's the paper.
Here's the paper.
Hey, did you want to say how big it is?
No.
Okay. I'm afraid to say anything.
Go ahead.
8.5 inch.
Okay, good. I'm good.
Okay, there's what the paper looks like. It
And?
looks gigantic. I'm afraid to say it. Block A is in the black. Block B is in the pink. Let me show you so you can see it. There's the colors. Don't shake your head, no.
I didn't shake my head, no.
Block C is the blue, and they're 8.5 unfinished. From Sugar and Spice Textiles.
Sugar and Spice Textiles.
I think that's an 8.5. Isn't that a 10-inch block?
Get a
Starts
ruler.
out at a 10-inch block.
Sure. That's what it is. Sure. What you got?
And then there's directions that shows you how to do it.
Colorful.
Mm-hmm.
She's not going to show you, but colorful. I actually don't
We
know
have
if she already
our
showed this stuff to you.
subscribers
Sub
block
what?
of the month competition.
Shooba
Cobra Pinwheel by Joy Wilcox.
Woohoo! Gotta have some
she's-
joy for that, Joy.
She's the winner. Yes, she is. I think we need an overhead light on. It seems kind of dark in here.
Nah.
Let's see.
Let's see. Let's see. Maybe
I want
we
to make sure I
shall,
haven't
shall
lost
we?
anything. Let's show our 9. Oh, we have 9 fat quarters this
That
month.
didn't work. 9
Yes,
fat
9.
quarters. Not skinny eighths, but fat quarters. There's difference now.
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh,
Oh,
here we go, right
here
here.
we go, right here.
And we have these little pink embroidery scissors. Those are cute.
Those are yours. I'm not a
Okay.
pink person, but
No, you're not, but that's
No.
okay.
I like blues. Azul. Me gusta.
Let's see if I can get it unwrapped. Okay.
Azul.
Oh, these are pretty. Look at those fabrics.
I like the blue.
Okay, I like this one right here.
Me
Let me
gusta
open it up.
azul.
Let's open up and take a look at it. Oh, yes, that is very nice.
Ooh, Fancy.
Mhm. They're all
They're all
complementary colors.
colors. And my eye is itchy.
We have the floral.
And we have the floral.
I guess she's gonna have to do these videos without her dinner.
And excuse you, you did not make my dinner. And we have the pink.
Yes.
And we
Oh,
have
and what kind of bird are these? Let's turn it this way so we can.
Tweety birds.
No. These are called nuthatch birds. That's their name.
Yeah, somebody definitely hatched out of their nut a little early today.
Here's a real pretty. I like the way all of these go together. They are beautiful together.
Oh, just like you. So beautiful. You guys,
Thank you.
look up, look up, look up. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful.
Thank you, dear. And here's a real pretty blue. Looks like some poppies. Apparently I'm not holding them high enough.
No.
And here's a nice
No.
gray. No, would you call that gray?
Yes,
I
that
guess
is
you
great.
would. With a
I
Maybe
guess
a-
you would.
little hint of pink in that gray.
No, I don't see the pink.
Okay. I thought I did. Maybe not. Let's turn
So
this.
that's what you get for thinking.
Uh-oh. Yep, I know. Don't be doing any thinking.
It says, live
And-
simply.
Our pink. with the
Happiness is
flowers.
homemade.
And we're going to lay it all out here on the table so everybody can take a look at it.
You can look at every bit of goodness
Yes.
that is in this unbagging today.
And I would say that Vicky and Kevin outdid themselves with all of this bag.
And I will
This is-
say,
What are you going to say?
thank you for this ruler. That was all.
She is the ruler.
Yes,
Yeah, thank you for the
yes.
ruler because she gets the rulers. Till I decide she doesn't get the rulers.
This will become my show.
All right, we'll put it down here on the table for y'all.
In the next clip.
Alrighty, here we go. So the April 2021 featuring a country weekend from Lisa Audit, a beautiful group for quilting and decor with dusty colors of coral and gray green set against a clean and white soft taupe, which I think is beautiful. The April winners, which I did not mention, are Kathy Blow for the Dottie Sampler. The project winner, the next project winner is Margaret Clark, the Table Topper. The block winner is Joy Wilcox, and you saw the block right here. That's the block, and that's the directions on how to make it. The recipe winner is Chloe Davenport for chocolate, peanut butter pie. I missed the next line. And the fabric guest winner was Carol Shook and Annette Mandel. They guessed the fabric for this project. Now, they have panels on the website if you want to go and buy panels that match this fabric so that you can make something with it if you want to. And if you're a subscriber, your bonus is that you'll get 15% off online purchases in the store using the code that they have supplied in this box. Now, the discount's not available on the subscription bags or the sale items. Alrighty? And right now, Vicki and the team are working on a website. It's taking a little bit longer than they thought, but they want to make it perfect for us. So it's going to make a smooth subscription integration with more options. They say they're really excited about the new site and hope you are too, which means us. And they're going to plan some fun promotions as soon as they share the new site. And they're going to keep us posted on the website. And for those that want to know the total value of this bag, it was $80. I won't break it down for you. I'm just letting you know what it is. If you want to win a pack of 2.5 strips, which are a $40 value, make something from the fabric from any of the Creative Notions subscriptions, past or present, and post it on social media and tag Creative Notions Quilt Shop. Try to guess the next fabric line from the clues posted on the Creative Notions Facebook page. Submit your own quilt block design and make and post a picture of a recipe from our subscriber recipe book. The winners will receive a pre-cut of fabric. I think that's about everything. What are you doing, honey?
I'm showing fabric.
Oh, okay.
Keep talking.
That was it.
Your outro?
I don't ever remember my outro.
Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing.
That's my outro?
No.
Okay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell to get alerts about my new videos. And I'll see you next time. Thanks everybody for watching. And thanks Vicki for this wonderful box. Bye-bye.